Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the top 5 highly profitable Amazon KDP niches for 2023. If you're looking to make some serious money through self-publishing, then you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through these top demanding niches that you can choose to work on and generate some serious income. So let's jump right into it. Our first highly profitable niche for 2023 is foreign language learning for travelers. With a niche score of 47, this niche offers a high demand and less competition. There are only 300 results in this niche, with an average bestseller rank of under 7 lakes, indicating a good chance for sales. What's more impressive is the average of 1,000 plus reviews and an affordable price of $11. Moving on to our second highly profitable niche for 2023, we have gardening and urban farming tips. This niche also has a niche score of 47, indicating a high demand and less competition. With only 200 results and an average BSR of under 5 lakhs, this niche provides a great opportunity for success. The average number of reviews goes beyond 1,000 plus, suggesting a healthy appetite for this topic. And with an average price of $13, you're looking at not only generating income, but also enjoying a good profit margin. Our third highly profitable niche is the Parenting Toddler Years Survival Guide. With an impressive niche score of 55, this niche is definitely worth considering. There are only 200 results in this niche, pointing to less competition. The average BSR of 2.5 lakhs signifies a high number of sales in this category. What's really exciting is the average 2,400 plus reviews, indicating a strong demand and interest. And with an above-average price of $15, you have a great opportunity to generate substantial income. Now let's talk about our fourth highly profitable niche, which is mindset and positive thinking techniques. With a remarkable niche score of 61, this niche is a clear winner. There are only 900 results in this niche, highlighting a low competition landscape. The average BSR of 2 lakhs suggests a high number of sales and visibility, and with an impressive average of 1,700 plus reviews, it's evident that people are actively seeking this type of content. With an average price of $13, you're in for a solid opportunity to earn money. Last but certainly not least, our fifth and most highly profitable niche for 2023 is homemade natural remedies and herbal healing. This niche boasts an outstanding niche score of 64. With just 285 results in this niche, competition is incredibly low. The average BSR of 3.5 lakhs indicates a substantial number of sales and demand. Furthermore, the average 780 plus reviews show a good level of interest. And with an appealing average price of $17, this niche offers a great opportunity to earn a significant income with fewer sales. To sum it up, if you're aiming to make money through self-publishing Amazon Kindle ebooks in 2023, we highly recommend considering these top 5 highly profitable niches. These niches have a high demand, low competition, and great potential for sales and earnings. So go ahead and explore these niches to kickstart your self-publishing journey and generate some serious income. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.